Tatay on TV Kids Edition. Kids Edition.
Hi guys! Welcome to Tatay Juan TV.
Welcome to Tatay on TV with my bracelet.
Yes. So we will unbox what we're going to open ano.
I'm gonna open the magnet toy inside the box.
Okay. So we will open an educational toy. So this is good for your fine motor skills. So hand and eye coordination. So guys, ito yung link kung if you want to buy one of these magnetic toys. Here is the link or here is the shop dito sa Shopee. Yan. And then yung price din. Okay? Okay. So are you excited na? Who give this to you?
Tatay Etchi.
Oh, you say thank you to Tatay Etchi.
Thank you, Tatay Etchi.
The owner of Tatay Juan.
The owner of
Tatay Juan TV. Okay.
Tan 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 tan.
Can I help you?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Push it.
Cool.
Get it more.
This is, guys, so ito ay
Not
recommended by a Montessori school. No? So, very educational siya. So, ginagamit siya. Ito so, meron siyang sa STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. Yun yung na-exercise sa toy na to. And then, good siya for ages 3 years old and up. And yung kinuha namin ni ate ay 110 pieces. So, meron siyang variation. So, meron din siyang QR code. Kung gusto nyo i-check to. Legit to guys kasi galing to sa ibang bansa. Okay? And then, so ito yung mga inclusions niya. So, 24 nitong yellow. What color is this na?
yellow, orange, green,
Okay.
purple, blue, sticker, and
Manual.
manual, and sticks.
Yes, that's a stickers. So, what's the shape is this?
Circle,
Inside. But the outside is?
square,
Yes, the yellow and the orange and the, what shape is?
triangle,
What color?
blue.
So, yan. So, good siya for,
Let's open it.
yes, for hand and eye coordination, and then yung brain nyo ay may exercise, lalo na sa mga kids nyo kung paano siya i-connect. So, maganda siyang activity guys, lalo na ngayong pandemic, no? So, para hindi puro gadget yung mga kids, no? So, what else pa? Ayun. Yung ball nito, na, the ball is one. Yan, so, you will make a slide. How can you make the ball drop?
That's a bean.
Yeah, that ball is
Bean.
made of LED lights. So, meron din siyang multi-angle spotlights, colorful balls. See, there's a colorful
Yeah,
balls.
let's open it.
Oh, one moment. Fantasy seat lamp and lamps with 3 lights.
$5 million.
So, are you excited? What? Can you read this muna, anak? Can you read this? Can you read? Black?
Magnet. Box.
Black?
Blocks.
Again, louder. Black?
Light. Magnetic. Balls.
Black.
Blocks.
Very good. Okay, let's open it! Okay guys, so para ma-enjoy namin ang paglalaro nito, i-upload ko na lang later yung video para ma-enjoy muna ng kiddo. And then, update ko kayo later guys. So, watch out for this video.
Please like, share, subscribe. Tatay Juan TV. Thank you guys.
A few minutes later.
We're back guys, Tatay Juan TV.
We're back guys, Tatay Juan TV. Let's open the box. Right now. Let's open it. We're ready. Oh my god.
Upside down, sorry. So, also check it.
Here's the light.
Let's check if the items are complete. So first, the stickers. So here's the stickers. And then the manual or the instruction here. What else? Here's the
Balls. Beans.
yeah. What else?
So nice. Here's the flashlight.
There.
The flashlight.
So here's the instructions. So you can make or assemble anything like that. Yan. And then this one. So for the science,
I wanna make that one.
this one.
Yeah, that's really big.
No.
I got some more beans.
Okay, so let's try. So thank you for this. What do you call this?
The lightning magnets box.
The light magnetic blocks. Okay. So hopefully we can do this one. So let's try to make that one.
Now we almost ready. Come on, Nanay, open
Sticker, Alright. We're gonna put the stickers.
I know. Here, oh, here's the sticker.
First we will make this one, ano? This one.
Yeah.
Let's find out. Here.
Yeah, the towels. Now come on, open the block. Open this stuff. Nanay, there's that little lights. One and two. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Tatay Juan TV. I wonder what they smell like. Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells toxic, no?
Man, but we snap them together.
So first we will make like that, a funnel.
Tunnel. We
Yeah.
gotta get something like a tunnel.
Guys, so it's really a magnet, guys. There's a magnet inside that black one. There's a magnet.
Can I have some?
Yeah, so first, let's try that one. Small one. So you will connect like this. And then, it's up to you if you want like this, or if you want it
Oh no,
like that.
it didn't fit me.
Didn't fit?
Yeah, I tried. Wow, look, it looks left or right.
Yes.
Let me do that.
Ah, this one.
We gotta make some
Yan.
bones.
Look, there's a tunnel. You
Yeah.
have now the tunnel and then going down.
Here's that you're looking for.
Yeah. How about this one? The other side. Here. This one. Yeah. Like this.
You took my life, you are my life, and you drop from you all my life has you in my life. Are you?
And then, what's next na? What do you think? Am I right? Like that?
No, it's the other side.
Yeah, but you must make the ball goes down.
Nay, wait. Nay, there's a purple. You gotta get this.
But there's no Latin hole here. So we will make
A
another
circle,
hole.
other circle.
Yeah. So like that.
But there's the plastic. Like that. No, it's stick. Oh no, it's not the stick. Oh no! Stop sticking.
It's fun na. Are you having fun? There's another one.
Nay, look! Look, Nay.
Wow, so nice.
Go.
Wow.
Left or right? You want to go and video or do you want to go and play Zinto? Come on! Left or right?
I want the left one.
Left.
Left.
You will play only that. Look. Oh my.
Yes.
Let me try.
We will make a slide. Not yet now, not yet. See? It's not yet done.
There's definitely... It looks like an egg.
Then what's next? Let's put color.
Oh my gosh! Dito wala. No. There's the boss. Protected by secretary.
I'll put a slide like this. Ano? There you go. And then,
There's a poster.
like this.
It's gonna be stuck.
It will be curved as a... Am I right?
Yeah.
Or maybe this one.
Something you want to.
This one. Yan.
Hey, look, I made so many balls.
Yeah. How about this one?
What about more things?
One, two, four. Can you help me now? You put all the stickers here. Here, you put stickers here like this. Like this. Look, here. Carefully, you put the sticker here. Like that. Okay? Not on this side, but on this side. Without the hole in the middle. Okay? Here, you put the sticker here. Okay. So, for example, like this, you will put here. Yeah. Look. Put it here. Look what I got. Oh, see? So that when the ball drops, it will spin like that.
it.
And then,
So much fun with stickers.
yeah.
With
Maybe I want to put
flashlights.
here also.
Eating flashlight. Let's put some more stick.
Rubber here. I need this one. I will put it here. Maybe here. On the green.
Ambulance. I put some ambulance. For
So that-
ambulance. It's for
And it
A.
drops here. Here we go.
Got more balls.
Oh, it will not
For you. Okay, I did it. I will get this. Oh, that's my favorite.
And then,
Hey, look at this.
wow. Let's put, can I have 4 of it? 4? Yeah.
Okay, for triangles.
Yeah, I will put,
Wait, I'll snap them together. Now here, if you want some, they're 4.
yeah.
They're 4
Oh,
now.
thank you.
They're gonna be so much fun.
Go! Another one.
One more! One more here.
That's a simple one because I cannot make a bigger one. So guys, so many things that you can make. So go! Yay!
Thank you, this is for this one. Look at this. Oh no!
It's okay. Grab some of the balls. So, yay!
Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Tatay Juan TV. Love you, Tatay. See you guys. Tatay Juan TV.